Hello and welcome to another episode of On Campus with GradRight. Welcome to Simon Fraser University. Today we are here to witness the grand opening of Canada's first smart manufacturing hub here in the beautiful city of Vancouver. Now here is what makes this university extremely special. It's ranked number 1 under the sector of innovation in Canada and comes under the top 100 in the entire world. Let's see what we have inside.
Today was the grand opening for our mechatronics department. We have a SFU mechatronics hub here, and we have a lab which we imported from Spain, which is an integration of 10 different stations which can enact as a small level smart factory. So we are trying to learn about different kinds of sensors and PLCs and actuators that we can integrate into real life bigger scale factories. That has been taught to us over the last 2 semesters. And we had a lot of companies who visited here today to check our machines and to talk to us as students and to see where we stand, what kind of knowledge that we are gaining here. We had industries like Dorigo, and we had a minister from the government of BC who also visited here, who is working towards integrating manufacturing and who is trying to promote manufacturing and smart manufacturing in British Columbia in Canada specifically.